Hello everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. Thank you again so much for stopping by for this super quick and fun, easy project share. I did use my Gatefold portfolio tutorial. I will leave the full step-by-step, 100% thorough HD video tutorial link down below in the description box, okay? After the end of this walkthrough, you will see a tutorial trailer on how I kind of go about teaching my books and the process in which we have a lot of fun, okay? So on the front cover here, you're probably wondering, what paper did I use? Yeah, no cut parts with it or stickers, but I spent 40% off of this Poppies and Pines by the Paper Studio, Hobby Lobby paper. It's beautiful, okay? Absolutely love it. I did attach these little spine wraps a little bit different. I spaced them apart, okay? You'll notice in the tutorial trailer, I am using masculine paper, but again, use the base design and add whatever paper it is that you like. You know, I did this little tie closure right here with some brads. Beautiful. That technique is also displayed in the tutorial as well. And I do have a magnet as well, okay? It wasn't strong enough, so I had to find a different means for that. Beautiful paper, okay? This is a project anyone can make, and happy holidays again. I'm going to be smashing out as many Christmas books as I can until the end of the year. All right, so on the left panel here, we have this beautiful magnetic closure for this wonderful faux envelope. Did you see that coming? I did not. Okay, I just did some chalk marker designs on there. Beautiful. The camera stamp really decorates for me, as this paper line didn't have anything else but it's paper. Okay, I don't know, the sticker aisle was closed. I was hesitant to go in there. It's a funny story. So this was supposed to be tied up right there, as you can see. Beautiful. This is a simple waterfall that goes up and down. I went nuts with the chalk marker again. Beautiful. Let's see what that looks like tied really quick. Okay, is that not the most adorable thing you've ever seen? Oh my goodness. Okay, you close that up and that magnetizes closed. Right here on the center panel, I do have a beautiful spot for a landscape photo, a little bit of a banner, some strips of design paper, and then you open it up like this, and we've got these little pockets. You can stick all these different tags in here. Little tiny photos can go in here. Look at this. Beautiful place for a picture there. I do have that awesome, yeah, you guessed it, the reflective little plastic sheet right there. And then we have this, okay? It doesn't get much more wonderful than that. 4x4 photo spots. This holds about 45 photos. Okay, we got another little situation right here. A super easy tag, nothing complicated. I did use the We Are Memory Keepers to make that notch right there. Beautiful, that just ties back to keep this closed. And another portrait photo can go there. This opens up again, and I wanted to divide these into strips just for added interest because it was pretty plain. And then I've got this beautiful assortment of little tags in here that get smaller as they go. And then there's a beautiful space for portrait and landscape. So I want you to be able to see these 4x6 photos front and back can fit on here as well. Okay, how cute is that? Now check out this pocket formation. I show you how to mat that, and it's just absolutely a blast. I'm just going to stick these back in here, and of course I have that little clear plastic right there as well. I wanted to kind of implement this situation, okay, where you could do both. Whoa, look at that magic trick. Whoa, is that weirding you out yet? Okay, let's go back right inside there. And then these close up, just like this. And then that takes us over here to this side. I'm going to close this so I can fit in the frame. And of course, you can access bottom, okay, and the top. And then these fold down. Okay, wow. I hope you guys enjoyed my little opening. That's my new opening for the videos now. Okay, and stay tuned for the end because it's pretty funny. Samson makes an appearance. I got some design paper strips right there, and I made my own little tags. How adorable. My goodness, I can't get enough. Okay, that ticket stub design is awesome. I just used my circle punch for that. And then those close up. And this opens again. Beautiful places for photos again. And we've got these awesome little tags. Okay, this paper is adorable. I love this little angle here. And then there's another picture space on the back. Oh, did it again. Huh. Freaking you out yet? Whoa, whoa. I love it. So thank you everyone so much for watching. Again, I will have the tutorial trailer playing after this video. And I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful Christmas. Thank you for being with me. I appreciate our friendship, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! Welcome to the Gatefold portfolio tutorial. That's a mouthful. As well as a pencil, a scoring tool, a bone folder. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's the back. Oh, that's so awesome. I want to wear a shirt that has that plaid on it. Isn't it? You can't mess it up. You're going to make one of the best masculine books you've ever made with this paper. This is just absolutely wonderful. And on any edge that you wish, you can apply some tape right at the edge right here. I'm going to start with this giant back base, and I'm just going to go along the edges. And I'm also going to apply some in the inside. 2 thicknesses of chipboard is a very beautiful distance away. Now everybody's style is different, okay? You do it your way. I'm just going to show you the basics of how to make a book, and you let it take you on your own creative journey. So we see this little corner right here. All we're going to do is use the edge and bring it in. And I've got one piece 4.5 by 6.5. Now this piece, I'm going to line up the 6 1/8 inch side along the top. And again, I'm going to score 1/2 inch. And in the open position, okay, what it is going to look like when it's open, the score mark closest to this 1/2 inch flap is going to align with the edge of our chipboard cover. And right here, one piece 2.5 by 4.5. Center the circle, move the circle out of the way while I keep my hand in that position.